Today's lesson sizokhuluma ngama-special products. There's actually two special products, one leading to a difference of squares and a squared binomial. Ne? A squared binomial. Like ama-special products, ama-special cases for the distributive law. Ne? Ayenza i-life ibe simple. Ayenza i-life ibe simple kanje nangabe wenza ama-calculations, especially when it comes to higher grade mathematics. This is grade 10 stuff, but then when it comes to high grade mathematics, like grade 11, grade 12, even entry level university courses nakhona, ne? Lama techniques engizokukhomba wona la azoba useful whenever you solve ama-math problems or ama-physics problems. So, starting at the first one, the one leading to a difference of two squares. Ne? So, now my examples. We have an x minus 2 and then an x plus 2. Ne? Well, my special product is basically binomials I2. Ne? I am multiplier. Like in this case, it's not two binomials I am multiplier. Ne? Sometimes it's not all special product for trinomials. Yeah, for trinomials, it's not like limited only binomials pair. So, lay example yani product leading to a difference of two squares. So bheka uyibona kanjani ukuthi i-product izolida to a difference of two squares. Bheka lama bracket lawa ayafana. The only difference ekhona is just the two, ngathi it's just the signs akhona ngaphakathi kwale bracket le, ne? So ama bracket afana nalawa or ama products afana nalawa solve so times are the first terms ngaphakathi kwalama brackets uthola x squared times x no x, and then uphinde times namalo kanje nama last terms on both brackets. Minus 2 times positive 2, it's a negative 4. So isolvile kanje so, ne? So using the distributive property ngisho bozoyisolva kanje. So bozothi an x times an x uthola x squared, and x times a positive 2 uthola positive 2x, negative 2 times x is negative 2x, negative 2 times positive 2 uthola a negative 4. Uzothola a negative 4. So uma we simplify further, lena naleya like terms, x squared akana like terms, so these ones eventually azo cancelana ngoba ana two different signs and ayalingana. So final answer yakho ubani? X squared minus bani 4. So kahle in a bracket, if ama bracket wakho ayafana, the only difference ama signs, the middle term yakho izocancelana. That's why it's multiplier, only the first terms on both brackets as well as the last terms on both brackets. Ngoba the middle term aya multiplier, ne, aya cancelana. So I start another one. Let's say maybe x plus 5 no x minus 5, ne? Nangapha ngizowenza i-distributive law nakhona just to demonstrate x times x, ne? Well, lama bracket ayafana, the only difference yini ilama sign. So this is a product leading to a difference of two squares, ne? So it's x times x squared, ne? And then positive 5 times minus 5, it's minus 25. See, it's a product leading to a difference of squares ngoba ekugcineni siba ne difference of two squares. We have a difference of two squares. No x squared u25 uyi-perfect square, as well as on the previous example x squared uyi-perfect square, 4 uyi-perfect square. So ama bracket afanayo, but the only difference ama signs as always they will lead to a difference of squares, ne? So distributive property, x minus 5, it's x times x squared minus 5x plus 5x minus 25 equal to the middle terms azo cancelana, angisho kusala minus 25. So using a distributive property, there's one extra step. So with the new technique in combine, you just multiply the last terms and the first and the last terms. Basically, this step, the step is ngaphakathi when using a distributive law. We just jump with this method. So this method is much simpler than the distributive property. So to come another example where it's in a trinomial. No, we cannot have a trinomial for a product leading to a difference of squares. I think yeah. I'm a trinomial siwa now on a squared binomial. Oh, is it? Nah, okay, back. Now an example together. Let's say x plus 1 minus y times, this is a trinomial by the way, and then x plus 1 plus y equal to, so bheka and this trinomial kulama trinomial ayi-2 multiplier nayo this thing is only to a difference of 2 squares nakhona uma uyibheka kahle. X plus 1 minus y and this bracket ayafana the only difference eyikhona ile sign le kuphela x plus 1 la ngapha ngino x plus 1, so meaning lento le ifana nale angisho. The only difference ubani negative nalo positive, no y both sides so check out ngizowenza something la, ngizogroupa the x plus 1 on both brackets x plus 1, check out this thing iyafana na this thing ayafana lama brackets basically, but then the only difference ile sign le. So into esingayenza la singamultiply le bracket leli nale bracket leli ngithola x plus 1 squared angisho, and then this minus y na this positive y uzonginikeza a negative y squared. Now sinani a difference of 2 squares sine difference of 2 squares. Singayitesta using what's this, distributive property. Ekugcineni sizothola the same answer nakhona so ama trinomials udila ngawo so check ukuthi imaphi ama terms ongawagroupa la, check ukuthi imaphi ama terms ongawagroupa la and then you take it from there nakhona so let's go to the next one where it discuss ama squared binomials, ama special products. I think rabe iloga board yam. Right, now for a squared binomial, now example, x plus 1, which is a binomial squared. So, which is a binomial squared. So, a binomial ifana nale using a distributive property. So, x plus 1 equal to x squared, and then x plus 1 equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. Another example would be x minus y squared is equal to x squared so the squared angishichaza ukuthi una 2 yama brackets afanayo so is equal to the x nalo x yaba multiply bakunika x squared, lo x nalo y it's minus x y it's minus xy plus y squared it's plus y squared equal to x squared ama like terms uthola minus 2xy plus y squared so check something out again. Uyabona ngathini ama mathematicians, there's something abayinoticile whenever trying to solve ama squared bracket using a distributive law badiscover ukuthi i-answer yakho kahle iphuma ngale ndlela le without using the distributive property iphuma so times our x no x uthola x squared, times positive 1 no positive 1 uthola positive 1 ne, and then the middle term iphuma ngokuthi uthi x times 1 uthole a positive x, and then times alo positive x ngo2 uzothi 2 times positive x ikunika the middle term ne. Asibona ukuthi on the second example the same scenario iyalo kanje yenza sense now or not ne. So bheka, without using the distributive property siyabona ukuthi nangithi x times x ngithola x squared, angisho nangithi minus y times a minus y ngithola a positive y squared. The middle term iphuma ukuthi ngithi x times minus y ngithola minus xy, and then 2 times minus xy nginikeza the middle term ne, nginikeza the middle term. So ama-special products ungadila nawo kanje so ne, especially the squared binomial. So asithathe any example without using distributive property ne. Let's apply this technique esiqeda ukuyidiscover la manje. So the x times x ngithola x squared. The last term ngizoyithola ngokuthi ngithi positive 3 times positive 3 ngithola a positive 9 ne. The middle term ngizoyithola ukuthi ngithi 3x times 3 positive 3 ngithola positive 3x ne. A positive 3x times 2 ngithola a positive 6x. This is the middle term, angisho. So your final answer yam 9. Now using a distributive property ngizoyenza so, angisho, ngizoba na 2 yama brackets afanayo because of the squared ne. So it's x times x, x squared, x times positive 3, it's positive 3x, positive 3 times x, positive 3x, 3 times 3 is positive 9. So x squared nangi-add lama like terms ngithola i6x plus 9. So bheka ke, using this technique you see omit one step in between ne. So asithatheni yokugcina minus 3 squared is equal to, so the first term ngizoyithola ngokuthi now using the technique engikhombe yona, so the x times x ngithola x squared. The last term ngizothi minus 3 times minus 3 ngithola a positive 9. Angisho a negative times a negative isinika a positive, 3 times 3 isinika a 9 ne. So the middle term izophuma ngokuthi ngithi x times minus 3 ngithola minus 3x, 2 times minus 3x inginikeza a minus 6x. Using a distributive property asibona ukuthi sithola the same answer or not. Equal to x times x, x squared, x times minus 3, it's minus 3x, minus 3 times x, it's minus 3x, minus 3 times minus 3, it's positive 9, equal to, now, like terms, minus 3 no minus 3, x, so, number 8 ngizothola a minus 6x plus a 9. So, this technique is much simpler, yeah, than using a distributive property. Imagine kumele multiply ama-trigonometric functions ne, say mhlambe uno cos theta minus sin theta all squared. Now uzosebenzisa i-distributive law la, uzogcina sowuzithola isum yakho seyigcwala ipage lonke la ne, which is a bad idea ngoba ku-easy ukuthi uwenze ama-error kanjalo. So lama-special products lawa yenza i-life yethu ibe much simpler, especially ku-mathematics naku-physics, so nawusolve ama-problem. So I think after watching le video lena i-mathematics yakho izo-improve, like i-arsenal yakho yama-mathematical tools izo-increase after this lesson. So I hope it be useful and then you learn something out of today's lesson. So yeah, thanks for watching. Nangabe uyithandile le video, just leave a thumbs up. Nangabe new to my channel, just subscribe, and then I'll see you next time. Bye bye.